सो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। और अब हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि कैसे मैं खूबसूरत बनने वाली हूँ विथ द हेल्प ऑफ
Let's change it. मैं already खूबसूरत हूँ and how I'm gonna enhance myself more.
ओके, सो व्हाटएवर शी सेड। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। मैंने ऑलरेडी प्रेप किया हुआ है मेरी स्किन को। आई हैव ऑलरेडी अप्लाइड माय मॉइस्चराइजर प्राइमर विच इज़ माय क्रीम बेस्ड प्राइमर, और फिर देन आई हैव अप्लाइड माय फाउंडेशन अ लिटिल बिट जस्ट टू प्रेप इट। सो इफ़ यू फील कि आपको फाउंडेशन करना है तो whatever, now it's you.
ठीक है. So let's start. In the entire session, Rukhsana, we haven't spoken about correcting. What correcting is. So correcting is basically, when we have our dark circles और pigmentations होते हैं जो सिर्फ foundations या concealer से cover नहीं होता है, right? You need a different color to neutralize that darkness or that pigmentation. तो उसको correcting बोलते हैं. करेक्टिंग जनरली जो हमारा अंडर आई जो डार्क होता है या जो फेस पे पिगमेंटेशन, पता है इंडियन स्किन में बहुत बार ये होता है दैट द लिप पोर्शन एंड द चिन पोर्शन इज लिटिल डार्कर देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस, द साइड्स ऑफ द फोरहेड, द साइड्स ऑफ द चीक, राइट? तो ये सबको करेक्ट करने के लिए वी यूज अ करेक्टर.
Okay.
Right? So generally the corrector is used is a orange corrector. ठीक है, so here I am using this Forever 52. This is a Spotlight Professional palette which everybody may not need it. You may pick up the corrector would of course be common, but concealers is something that you can pick up as per your skin tone के हिसाब से.
Okay.
And so my point that this entire palette is not needed, but I am using this palette. So I'm taking little of orange and I am doing it under her eye. So if you see, you have little darkness under your eye. You know, even when you have a dry skin, it is very important to use an under eye cream, because under eye में जो हमको fine lines आ जाती है, creases हो जाती है. So when we use an under eye cream, so it helps in that good blending और वो lines and creases भी कम होती है.
Okay.
So I have used a concealer. So I'm using a very little concealer. We want to give a very natural effect. So you can use a brush. You can also use your ring finger. Why ring finger? Because it has the lightest pressure.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't want the product to move. We want the product to, settle into your skin. तो इसके लिए we'll give a very light pressure dab.
Okay. So it has to be in a dab format.
Yes, it has to
That
be in
is
a dab
important.
format and not just moving it away.
Okay.
So once we have done this corrector, then we can use your concealer.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay. So I at present have two types of concealer.
So
this is a lighter shade and this is
yes. So concealers, now you have a choice. You can either use as per your skin type, but if you want to give a little brightening effect, then you can use a shade lighter as well, right?
Okay.
So let us go with this shade. This is a little more light, but still it's okay. See, you see the quantity I'm using very little because we just don't want to load up the product, and especially in the under eye region, because जितना product आप under eye में लगाओगे उतना ही जाकर वो creases में settle हो जाएगा, and we don't want that. So again, you can use a brush, you can use your fingers, or you can use a beauty blender. See, so it has covered more or less your जो darkness था under eye का.
Okay.
It is done that. You can also use जैसे थोड़ा सा डार्कनेस से
the
अब
patchy
यहाँ
part.
पर या बहुत ज़्यादा आपको पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है तो मैं ऑरेंज नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. पता है बहुत बार पीपल से दैट फाउंडेशन यूज़ करने के बाद हमारा स्किन जो है वो ग्रे दिखता है, डार्क होता है. सो वन रीज़न आपने आपका स्किन प्रेप नहीं किया है, द अदर रीज़न कि आपने करेक्टर नहीं यूज़ किया है.
अच्छा,
Right?
okay.
सो यू नीड टू फर्स्ट करेक्ट जो भी आपके हल्के से जो भी इम्प्योरिटीज और जो भी फ्लॉज है, बिकॉज फाउंडेशंस में नॉट बी एबल टू कट दैट डार्कनेस. सो ये जो कॉर्नर ऑफ द नोज, ये सब जो एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे सो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डार्कनेस होता तो आई वुड हैव यूज्ड अ करेक्टर.
Yeah.
बट बहुत ज़्यादा डार्कनेस नहीं है तो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग अ कंसीलर. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योर सेल्फ यू कैन यूज द कंसीलर्स टू द एरियाज वेर यू फील इट्स लिटिल पिगमेंटेड. इवन यू कैन यूज द कंसीलर्स ओवर द आई,
अच्छा.
बिकॉज बहुत बार ये आई भी हमारी डार्क रहती है ना.
हाँ हाँ, बेसिकली आईज का तो रहता ही है इशू, अंडर आईज, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी ट्राई टू शेड इट अप आई शेडो से,
करेक्ट.
बट इट स्टिल एनहांसेस अगर हम ये लगा दें पहले तो.
यस. ठीक है, आई एम यूजिंग योर फाउंडेशन अ लिटिल मोर.
ओके. I bought this sugar wala,
Yeah,
which
so
you
we are
had helped
using
me
this.
use it.
Yes, sugar. Her shade is in cappuccino 15. This is what we are. So this is again a matte foundation, but it's a very nice and very blendable
Yeah.
foundation. So what I'm doing is I'm taking on a brush and I'm just giving a little. So if your skin is prepped well, अगर आपने correcting concealing अच्छे से किया है, then you may not even have to use too much of foundation. So foundation is just to give your skin an even skin tone, जो बहुत कम use करना चाहिए.
But Shireen, how important is brand in this? Like the right products or the brands, or is it like you should know exactly what you need?
Yeah. So the point is you should know exactly what you need. Brand
Okay.
is it is your personal choice.
Okay.
Right? Of course, again the brand counts. आप drugstore products ले रहे हो या आप branded product ले रहे हो, that is upon your spending capacity as well. आपको
But is
कितना
that going
invest
to
करना है?
Does it really give you the a different?
To some extent, yes, it does. Of course, the brand products. So, say if you are using MAC or if you're using Bobbi Brown or NARS ke concealers, Tarte ke concealers,
Yeah.
and so it will definitely, those are high coverage and branded products. So, उसके coverage अलग होते हैं. बहुत कम में भी अच्छा कवरेज मिल जाता है. बट हैविंग सेड दैट इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि आप वही सेम चीज़ ड्रग स्टोर ब्रांड से नहीं अचीव कर सकते हो.
But I have seen कि if you go for a brand product, quantity बहुत ज़्यादा reduce हो जाती है
Yes.
of the product that you use.
Yes.
And it gives you a much more better feel.
Yes, because those are high
are not
coverage
heavy.
foundations.
हाँ.
हेवी नहीं होते हैं, लाइट होते हैं, बट कवरेज उनका अच्छा होता है. ड्रग स्टोर वाले जो है दोज आर लिटिल बिल्डेबल फाउंडेशन, तो थोड़ा वो ज़्यादा आपको लगाना पड़ता है.
हाँ. And then it really gives you, not all, I'm presumably over exaggerating, it not all the products, but some products they tend to become just patchy.
Yes. Yes.
But then that will be your choice.
Yes, absolutely. So if you see, I mean, before if you would have seen, so this is the kind of coverage that we had, and this is the kind of, you can see, you can still see your skin जो पहले था, the redness and all जो था, so जिसको हमने थोड़ा और cover किया है. So I have used a beauty blender at one end. दूसरे side पे, you can also have brushes like this.
Okay.
Right, which is very easy and very blendable. So this is called as a buffing brush or a stippling brush.
Okay. So how important is investing in good brushes?
Okay. ब्रशेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज तुम्हारा सी बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना, द ब्रशेज आर नॉट गुड, जो भी मार्केट में ब्रशेज मिलते हैं विच इज़ लाइक वो जो नायलॉन स्ट्रिंग्स वाले होते हैं, सो उससे क्या होता है, द मेकअप अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंड नहीं होता है. इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी पैची लुक. बहुत बार फाउंडेशंस, हम लिक्विड फाउंडेशंस अप्लाई करते हैं, लाइंस आ जाती है.
ओके,
राइट, तो इसके लिए ब्रशेस में इन्वेस्ट करना, गुड ब्रशेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
एंड कंपैटिबिलिटी, अगर हम एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर इस्तेमाल करते हैं एंड ब्रश इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो व्हाट इज बेटर?
See, again, beauty blender and brush is a personal choice, and it's like how you are, personal comfort, I would say, rather than a choice. It is no thumb rule or it is no hard and fast that you have to use a beauty blender or you have to use a brush. But I feel beauty blender से थोड़ा सा जो blending है वो थोड़ा better हो जाता है. Brush से if you are a beginner, there is a tendency के थोड़ा ज़्यादा product लग गया, वो समझ में नहीं आता है. एंड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से इट्स लाइक, यू नो, यू जस्ट डैब इट, एंड अगर थोड़ा एक्सेस भी लगा हुआ है देन इट इज काइंड ऑफ टेकन केयर ऑफ.
Because when I came into contact with beauty blender, I found it very comforting. Like you just dab, and the whole product.
Yeah. So again, as I said, it is a personal choice. There are many people who are quite comfortable with the brushes also. Again, when you are using beauty blender, never use a dry beauty blender. You always use a damp beauty blender.
Okay.
So it will help in good blending of the product.
Damp
dry.
in the sense just.
So you run it under water, squeeze it completely. थोड़ा सा टिश्यू में भी squeeze करके, so वो जो सिर्फ dampness होती है, and the water should not be dripping.
Okay.
It should just be damp. So this is, we have done the foundation, so you could see the difference जो पहले था और अभी जो है, थोड़ा सा हमने उसको coverage build up किया है. Now being your skin dry, I would not want to completely mattify या you know powder the entire face. Also because आपका skin dry है, आपका foundation भी matte है, थोड़ा सा हमको dewy effect भी देना है, तो only the areas जहाँ मुझे लगता है कि creases आ सकती है, जो हमारी fine lines है या जहाँ पे sweat होता है, those are the only areas that I will powder. So powder में either you use a loose powder or you use compact.
Okay.
ठीक है. So if
so
your again I'm using your powder. This is sugar का. This is a translucent powder. Translucent powder will have no color.
Okay.
There are powders like this. जैसे मेरे पास है ये Fit Me का powder है, which has color.
Okay.
Right, so it is safest to use translucent powder, but if you are aware of your skin tone, skin color, then you can use the color. So color से क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा coverage और मिल जाता है.
Okay.
So either you take in the sponge which comes with this, or you can have, you know, small brush.
Okay.
Like this. So let me use the brush. So I'm just going under your eye. So whenever you do under the eye, make sure that you blend out the creases.
Yeah.
Then I'm taking a little, और जहाँ जहाँ जो fine lines है, जैसे ये area है, ये area है, you know, your हल्का सा over your, ये सारा area, I will just powder it. Cheek area जो है, I'm just leaving it. बिकॉज वैसे ही स्किन ड्राई है, जो भी नॉर्मल ऑयल सिक्रेशन अगर मैं उसको कॉम्पैक्ट या पाउडर करती हूँ तो आई एम सीलिंग इट फर्दर.
ओके.
राइट. सो हाँ, अगर सपोज लिक्विड फाउंडेशन होता जो मैट नहीं होता तो वो हल्का सा पाउडर हमको करना पड़ता, बिकॉज अदरवाइज विथ स्वेट एंड ऑल इट वुड मूव अवे. बट दिस बीइंग अ मैट फाउंडेशन ऑलरेडी, आई एम नॉट पाउडरिंग इट मच. ठीक है. Now we come to contouring.
Yeah.
So as I said, like our aim is to make our face oval.
Okay.
अब ये oval कैसे होगा? जैसे यहाँ पर जो है, your this portion is chubby, right? So we take the contouring. So this is what we need. So when we need this, we need to hide these portions, right? So this is how the oval is, and you will have to lift your cheekbone.
Cheekbones. Okay.
Correct. So contouring exactly will do what I said. So Let us use this My Glam ka Chisel It palette.
Yeah.
This has a contour, this has a blush also. So this is a very good and very handy product I feel for the beginners.
Okay.
Beginners या तो फिर जिनको self makeup जो करते हैं उनके लिए I feel this is a very good product.
Okay.
So I take a bronzer. So you need to make sure that the bronzer for contouring is matte,
Okay.
right? Because we need to push things behind. We do not want that to come in the focus.
Don't want to
So if it does not have to come in the focus, it has to be matte.
Okay.
But if there is something that we need to show, it will be light. Right? See, whenever we feel that we are looking little bloated, we wear dark colored clothes.
हाँ.
पतले दिखते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah, so it's the same concept with your face
Face.
also. आपको थोड़ा chiseled look चाहिए, आप darker color लो, matte color लो. ठीक है? So bronzers will always be brown. Bronzers will always be 3 to 4 shades darker than your skin tone.
Okay. Okay. That's an
ठीक है?
important tip. Okay. And bronzers, आजकल bronzers also, yeah, contouring, you get sticks. Like,
Yes.
These type of sticks that we
Yeah,
have.
I had
So
one here
that also
Yeah, so
gets,
this is also type of, so one place you have such contour stick and one place you have this highlight stick.
yes, highlight
Right,
stick,
so yeah,
right.
these are also good to go.
Okay.
But again, you need to be careful with the shades. As I said, 3 to 4 shades darker than your skin tone. So I'm not using this because this is not much darker than your skin tone.
Okay, fine.
So what I'm doing is I will start with the jawline first. So upper area से लेके मैं ये से वैसे नीचे down this side so that everybody can see. Yeah, here.
Okay.
So I am restricting it only to the corner of the eye of the ear. Okay, I put my brush here and I start at the corner of, I stop at the corner of the eye.
Okay.
ठीक है, and the direction should be, the line should be in the direction to the corner of your mouth.
Okay.
ठीक है, so यहाँ से मैंने शुरू किया and I am coming this way. So in circular motion I am just blending it. So contouring you have to be very sure of blending because we don't want कि ऐसा कोई brown line है फिर उसके ऊपर blush का line है फिर उसके ऊपर highlight है. So in fact when we talk about makeup is all about blending.
हाँ.
जितना ज़्यादा आपका makeup blended रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
So this contouring can be done with the beauty blender also?
Yes, contouring, but beauty blender powder contour जो है आप beauty blender से नहीं कर सकते हो.
Okay.
अगर आप liquid या cream contour करोगे तो that you can do it with the beauty blender. Now what I'm doing, see now your face is short, okay? So to give a length to your
हाँ,
face तो
हाँ.
मैं ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा नीचे ले रही हूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है? Otherwise I could have taken like this also.
Okay.
ठीक है, सो ये बिकॉज आई एम टेकिंग इट डाउन ये थोड़ा सा आपके फेस को लेंथ देगा.
Yeah. And it will
बट
give that
माई
oval
डायरेक्शंस
shape.
यस बट माई डायरेक्शंस आर गोइंग टू बी द सेम.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, नाउ आई डू द अदर साइड. यू हैव टू लुक हियर. So, but again, as I said, you have to be very careful with contouring. It has to be matte. It cannot be shiny.
Okay.
ठीक है. एक बार आपका ये contouring jaw line का हो गया, then we just go over here down, and I mean the cheek का हो गया, then we are doing the jaw line.
Jawline.
ठीक है. So jaw line हम लोग चिन के ऊपर नहीं कर रहे, हल्का सा नीचे कर रहे हैं because we don't want वो ऊपर वो brown shade आए.
So you can say कि it is on the bone.
Yes.
The jaw bone.
Yes. And जो भी अगर आपको लगता है excess आया है, you can always pull it down for your jaw line. अगर आपको कभी भी लगता है मैंने excess product लिया है for the cheekbone, then you just blend it upwards.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, the cheek will always be upwards. अगर इसको आप नीचे करोगे तो it will give you a droopy face.
Okay.
Also for beginners, a very easy technique to understand the the directions, or I would say the placements of contour is you take the contour powder, you look into the mirror and you just draw 3 starting from the temple of your forehead. So यहाँ से ये शुरू किया, ये लिया पीछे and this.
That's
So
it.
it's just a 3 diagram.
Okay, and then just
Yeah,
to
and
blend.
just blend it.
Okay.
The same goes this side. I start from here, the corner, go behind and this. And you just blend it.
Blend.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So now we come to blush. If you have a very dry skin, I suggest that we go in for a liquid or a creamy blush. Other
Okay.
than the, so I will show you. Of course, powdered blush are always there, but I have a cream stick over here. This is again with My Glam. This is a little peachy shade.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are starting. So for beginners, it's like, you know, it should ideally be this 2-finger difference. So हमारा cheek, apple of the cheek जो है वो यहाँ आता है, तो blush हमारा यहाँ से शुरू होगा. ठीक है. सो यहाँ मेरा कंटोर था, कंटोर के ऊपर मैंने किया ब्लश. सो आई एम जस्ट थोड़ा इसको ऐसे लगाया. नाउ यू कैन ईदर यूज अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर और यू कैन यूज अ ब्रश और यू कैन यूज योर फिंगर्स एज वेल टू जस्ट ब्लेंड इट. स्माइल स्माइल. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो स्माइल एंड यू नो हैव द प्लेसमेंट. तो इसको जो है हम यहाँ पे डैब डैब करके ऊपर की तरफ लेंगे.
Okay. So
ठीक है.
contouring normally नीचे जाता
Yes.
है.
Contouring आपके जो चीक बोन है उसके ऊपर होगा.
हाँ.
एप्पल ऑफ द चीक पे आपका
Blush होगा.
ब्लश ऑन होगा और उसके ऊपर जो है जो ये वाला जो बोन है यहाँ पर आपका हाईलाइट होगा. स्माइल. Towards me.
So there was one more thing which was जो काफ़ी टाइम से मैं सोच रही थी कि ब्यूटी नॉर्मली इज एसोसिएटेड विथ women, ओके, बट इज इट ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मेन टू हैव अ प्रिपरेशन और स्किन केयर रूटीन?
If women can feel beautiful, look beautiful, if you know their skin, they feel, women feel that good skin gives you that confidence, so then men could. Yeah, so
Right,
it is
right.
very very important even for men. In fact, I would say men need it more because जो बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर रहते हैं, पोल्यूशन में रहते हैं, धूप में रहते हैं,
Exactly.
बाइक्स पे ट्रैवल करते हैं, तो of course their skin gets damaged and it's a lot of damage that they go through more than women.
Yeah, but this has never been talked about, like, you know, men need to prepare their
Yeah,
skin या
it's-
फिर एटलीस्ट एक स्किन केयर रूटीन.
So when we talk about the skincare routine, may it be for females or may it be for males, it goes the same. The skin is
Okay.
skin, right? उनके भी same skin types होते हैं. So if you have an oily skin, you have a dry skin, you have a combination skin, it's the same way that you use the products what a female uses.
Huh.
Also for males, and in fact for women also, it is very important to include sunscreen into their daily routine.
Okay.
Because and sunscreen is not that कि जब आप बाहर जाते हो, sun में जाते हो तो ही हमको sunscreen लगाना है. See, when you are indoors also, these lights are there, AC is there, so वो radiations and those rays are still
अच्छा,
there.
अच्छा, हाँ,
Yeah,
right.
so to prevent that, it is very much necessary that you start using a sunscreen, even when you are indoors.
How does sunscreen and moisturizer
Again,
like
the purpose is different. Sunscreen is a barrier to the skin. It has an SPF. It is a barrier between the skin and the sun rays.
So does that happen after moisturizer? Like
Yes,
when do we
it
apply the
has. It happens
sunscreen?
after moisturizer. So first you moisturize your skin, then you do a sunscreen, and then you can do a primer if you're doing a makeup.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. That seems pretty much covered.
Right. So now we did the contouring, we did the blush on. Let's do the highlight as well. So highlighter के लिए I'm just taking this highlighting powder in this. And एक तो मैं ये nose पे highlight कर रही हूँ. So these are the high points जहाँ पे you know the light falls and it shines.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then जो हमने blush किया था, just blush के ऊपर. If you have very much textured skin, then you should avoid the shiny highlighter. जैसे आपके लिए मैं बता रही हूँ, but for your skin you should go more with matte.
Okay.
तो वो शाइन, सो ऑफ कोर्स द लाइट विल फॉल इन दैट एंड वो जो पॉइंट्स है वो लिफ्ट हो जाती है, बट जब शाइन कम रहता है तो वहाँ पर जो यू नो व्हाट यू से द एक्ने इज देयर या जो ड्राइनेस है वहाँ उतना फोकस नहीं जाएगा.
अच्छा, ओके.
राइट. And to give a nice pouty effect, you can do it at the cupid bow like this. Yeah, so it will give a nice pouty effect. Okay. Now the most lovable part is the eyebrows. Okay. So I am using this Nykaa ka brow pencil. This is Brow Girl Brow Definer.
Okay.
It has like this spoolie brush at one end, and the other end it has this stick for filling the eyebrows. So I like this because 2-in-1 हो जाता है ये.
It is in a special shape.
Yes, so it has a nice angle.
Okay.
It is very easy to fill in the eyebrows, and it has a brush. So अगर कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया या brush eyebrows clean करना है, so it comes very handy. तो पहले तो I am cleaning my eyebrows because हम जो foundation powders लगाते हैं तो it just sets in. My aim is to keep a very natural eyebrows. It's just that जो भी sparse areas है उसको मेरे को fill करना है, ठीक है. So I am holding this. यहाँ पर ये हमारा जो arch रहता है, I am just holding it. See, everybody wants that nice arc on the eyebrows. Yeah. So I'm holding this. I'll start from the ends. If you see normal जिसके eyebrows रहते हैं, ends जो है वो dark रहता है. सबसे डार्क एंड्स रहते हैं, एंड देन फ्रंट एरिया जो है वो लाइट रहता है. जस्ट फॉलो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हेयर. वी डोंट वांट टू चेंज द शेप और एनीथिंग. एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू फील उसको थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड करने के लिए ये ब्रश से ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. ऑलवेज स्टार्ट लाइट, बिकॉज अगर लाइट होगा आप और बिल्डअप कर सकते हो, बट एक बार आपने बहुत हैवी कर दिया उसको निकालना मुश्किल होता है. सो मेकअप में हमेशा बोलते हैं लेस इज मोर.
ओके.
सो साथ में आई एम इवन यूजिंग द ब्रश, तो वो इवनली एक्सेस निकल रहा है एंड इवनली स्प्रेड हो जाता है. राइट. सो
ओह माय गॉड.
सो यू सी एक आईब्राउ से ही कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है फेस पे.
यस, बिल्कुल. But the right part.
You have to look towards me.
We normally tend to have a more curved or kabhi sharp या kabhi tinged type of eyebrows. But how important is to know the shape of our eyebrows and or to create one.
See, eyebrows, it is always as per your, eye and
the facial structure.
Yeah, your facial
So you
structure.
should be considering it, right?
Yes, of course. You should be considering that. Generally, people go in with an arched eyebrows. But वो eyebrow पे भी depend करता है कितना growth है, क्या है, कितना arc अच्छा लगेगा. जिसकी आंखें already बड़ी है उसको ज़्यादा arc will not look good. जिसकी आंखें छोटी है उसको तुम arch दोगे यहाँ से तो थोड़ा सा वो space दिखेगा.
Okay.
So all those things are there which needs to be considered. But of course we have wonderful inexperienced beauticians that we all go to, all the skin technicians. They do a wonderful job, I think. But yeah, having a knowledge
of yourself.
Yes,
it
is
helps.
very important.
That is why when I thought के जब हम किसी को hire करें, so I liked it when you said कि it's better that you learn. Like when I had come to you, it was like, why don't you learn it? I was like, and it was really at that time it was a big task for me. Like learning everything is going to be such huge. but you simplified it, and I'm happy I learned it.
I'm glad.
And we are going to go for the advanced course jaldi.
Absolutely, soon. So now I'm just doing the eye. We'll do a very basic eye. Now आपकी eye जो है hooded eye है. Hooded
हाँ.
eye means that this area is falling, जिसके वजह से वो crease जो है, actual आपकी crease यहाँ है,
Okay.
but वो आगे दिखती है.
अच्छा.
Because of which ये area जो है, it is not much visible.
हाँ.
So even if you must have seen, अगर आप
अगर
एक
मैं
लाइनर
apply
भी
भी
लगा
लगाती
दोगे
हूँ,
तो ऐसा होगा कि भाई खत्म हो गया.
हाँ,
आई
right.
shadows generally दिखकर नहीं आते
दिख कर ही नहीं आते हैं.
Right? So what I'm doing is first I'm just coating एक shade eye पे.
बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि हम आई पे इतना फोकस कर देते हैं, लाइक यू नो स्मोकी आईज एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ आईज, कि वी डोंट मैच इट अप विद द फेस पार्ट. Like you'll be applying lot of foundation also, then there is lot of eye makeup also, and then there's a dark lipstick also. So many a times that we want to apply everything that is there with us. So how correct is this
See,
approach?
applying everything and being comfortable with whatever that you're applying is different thing. एक तो
Okay.
होता है apply everything just because you want to apply it.
हाँ.
Right? Now there are so many makeup looks and amazing. It looks amazing. Wherein you know the base is. See, nowadays people like to keep a natural base. So of course the base always goes natural, but the eye is also dark. The lip is also dark. It is a wonderful look if you are okay and if you are
Able to
comfortable
carry
to
it.
carry it well. Right? So that is very
absolutely.
important. It is not that कि सिर्फ करना है तो करो वैसा. It shouldn't be like that.
Got
If you're doing it, there is no rights and wrongs in makeup.
हाँ.
Makeup is creativity.
हाँ.
या आज मैंने कुछ नया कर दिया, that's a trend.
Okay.
Right? You should be comfortable how to carry it. That is important.
And if we are into a corporate level, okay, so wearing minimum and something that I can wear every day,
Correct.
that is important. So कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अचानक में एक पार्टी आ गई, या कभी कभी हो गया कि यू नो वी हैव अ बिग क्लाइंट जो हमको अचानक में अप्रोच करने वाला है, वी हैव एन इंस्टेंट मीटिंग. सो ऐसे वक्त पे एग्जैक्टली क्या चीज़ है जो हमको ऑलरेडी प्रिपरेशन में होनी चाहिए हमारे
See,
पास?
एक तो आपका स्किन प्रेप जो है वो बराबर होना चाहिए, ठीक है.
बी इट मीटिंग हो या नहीं हो,
नहीं हो,
व्हाटएवर इट
anything.
इज, पर डे.
Yes, मैं बहुत बार हम लोग फाउंडेशंस नहीं कैरी कर सकते हैं, so you can carry like these BB creams.
Okay.
So BB creams, they do not give too much of coverage, but they give you good enough skin to look like.
Okay.
Right? So you can have a BB cream with you. A very nice thing that I have brought to show you is you know, something like this. This is cheek and lip tint. Now this is a multi-purpose which I'm going to use it on you. You can use it for your eye also.
Okay.
You can use it as a blush also, and you can use it as a lipstick also. And it's a
Oh.
very nice natural neutral shade, I would say. Very nude shade.
हाँ.
So ये मैंने लिया, मैंने लगा दिया मेरी आई के लिए. You can use your finger, you can use a blending brush, you can use a flat eyeshadow brush, whatever that you are okay with. I'm using my finger. तो इसको मैंने एज एन आई शेडो हल्का सा यूज़ किया है. यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर योर लिप ऑल्सो.
हाँ.
ब्लश भी जो मैंने क्रीम ब्लश आपको यूज़ किया था, यू डोंट यूज़ दैट बट यू हैव दिस. सो यू नो ऐसी कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें रहती है विच आर लाइक मल्टीपर्पज.
Multi-purpose,
So
right.
you do not have to carry many things with you.
Yeah.
I'm just putting a very little glitter in between. Generally for hooded eyes what we do is we use a little shine.
Okay.
So as I said, that shine will always show up.
हाँ.
Right? So it will show up.
So when we talk about a bridal makeup, okay. So if someone is approaching you for a bridal makeup, what is that you make sure that it is done before? Because bridal makeup is a huge thing.
Yeah.
So what is it that you tell them, or you make sure that you know about
So
the
for
client?
bridal makeup, it is very important. Consultation with a bride and a makeup artist is very important.
Okay.
So consultations में हमको समझ में आता है what a bride is expecting out of us, or how are we able to deliver what the bride needs or what she has in her mind. Of course बहुत बार ऐसा होता है people come up with some of the other pictures. मुझे ये celebrity artist जैसा बना दो, मुझे ये इस तरह का eye makeup करना है. But you also need to understand that we need to do makeup as per your eye shapes, as per
अच्छा.
your face structure.
And the occasion.
And the
The
occasion.
occasion.
जो मैं Instagram पे देख रही हूँ, it may not go with my face structure or
Okay.
my eye type.
Okay.
Right? तो ऐसे time पे the trial and the consultation is very important, especially with the brides.
Okay.
So I make sure that I have a proper consultation and a proper trial with the brides, so that we understand each other. You know, we are at the same page when we are actually doing
Giving the results.
Results, yes.
Yeah,
So that is one thing which is where, and I would really want all the brides to upfrontly ask your makeup artist that you need a trial, you need a consultation. You know, sitting and deciding how you are going to do, what you are going to do is very important.
Okay,
So
this
that's a
is
very
something-
important thing. Even the brides should keep in mind.
Okay, this is
Yeah, so
something
I'm-
very important.
So we are doing a liner now. So I'm doing a very, very thin liner.
Okay. I am not much of a kajal person because I find it just darkens my eyes more rather than building it up. So how do I know whether for me kajal is good, or should I be just okay with eyeliner? I
The only
prefer
way
having
to know
just
whether
the
kajal is
eye-
good for you is to wear it. If you're comfortable, it is good for you. If you're not comfortable, you can even avoid it. See, as I said, makeup में कुछ ऐसा rights and wrongs नहीं होता है कि ये use किया, वो नहीं use किया,
हाँ.
या ये रह गया, वो है तो use करना ही है. It is nothing like that.
That's the part. Because many a times we are not comfortable with wearing some products,
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
and some things we don't know, but they are good at.
Absolutely.
Good on us.
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, अगर आपको लगता है आपका काजल smudge हो रहा है नीचे, right? So do not go for the entire kajal. Don't go for black. Go for brown.
अच्छा.
Lighter shade. So look. So now जैसे what I'm doing is I'm doing just half
हाँ.
kajal for you,
Okay.
just to give that depth at the end of the eye.
Just to enhance them.
Yes. And I'm just taking a little brown shade and I'm just little smudging over you. And so it gives a nice depth to your eye. Also, if you don't like kajal downwards, I know this is a little scary, but you can tight line your upper lash line.
Okay.
So this is what you do. ये जो upper lash line है ना, yeah. So it adds that depth to your eye.
Okay.
So
Without looking fussy.
Yeah, we can quickly do the other eye.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing a very thin liner. So you also have a choice when you don't want to do the eyeshadow. You make a nice thick winged liner
Okay.
and you are good to go. So this is a nice patla sa liner that I have done for you so that आपका eyeshadow भी दिखे. So also, I mean, we were talking on some other topic, but when I did your eye, what I specifically did was, थोड़ा सा ये shade लेके, I am creating a crease upwards.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is an artificial crease that I created so that आपका जो, it gives that illusion of larger space, a larger lid space. Now what we're doing is, if you're not comfortable with the entire line of kajal,
Yeah.
you can also do half kajal. And it is not necessary that you use black only. Yeah, there are various shades. You can use brown. बहुत लोग black नहीं comfortable होते because they feel वो बहुत dark लगता है, आँखें काली लगती है. But you can use different shades of kajals.
Okay.
So I'm taking just brown, little brown, and I'm just smudging it. So it gives a nice depth to your eye. Of course, as I said, that there is no rights and wrong in makeup. It is not that product है तो तुमको लगाना है. It is nothing like that. It's absolutely the look that you want to create, how you want it to be. Right now, just say for example, today I am not wearing kajal. Because this is the look that I wanted.
अच्छा.
Yeah, but if I go say कोई और outfit पहनती या मुझे कोई और look create करना होता तो मैं काजल लगाती.
Okay.
Yeah, बहुत बार ना यहाँ ऐसा होता है कि काजल एक necessity हो जाती है लोगों की.
Yeah, many a times.
But it is nothing like that.
Sorry. Okay.
Also, as I said, you can tight line your upper lid. So अगर आपको काजल नहीं भी लगाना है, आपने सिर्फ अपने upper lid पे focus किया, so it would give you a wonderful result.
And since the eyes have been really going well, how important is our mascara?
Yeah, that is what is in my hand. So
mascara is a bit scary for me.
No, I love mascaras. I mean, I feel that अगर आप सिर्फ आपका skin अच्छे से करते हो, आप आई शैडो नहीं करते हो, आपको लाइनर भी नहीं लगाना है, द बेस्ट लुक, द easiest and the most comfortable look, what I would say is you tight line your upper lash line like what we did, and you put 3 to 4 coats of mascara.
Acha.
That is it.
Okay.
You know, people say natural makeup, nude makeup, but see natural makeup, nude makeup में भी people want that जो हमारे features है वो enhance हो. And what more do people want than a nice thicker longer lashes?
Okay.
You know, I feel आजकल people will forgo everything for those nice thicker and longer lashes. So mascara is an important part. The makeup will never get complete. Just makeup is never complete without a lipstick. Makeup is also not complete without a mascara.
Okay. So this is what I have to practice.
Yes.
But recently I have really started enjoying my makeup. Really.
Yeah, that's because now you know.
Yes.
What you are doing, you are doing it correctly. You know your products, you know the techniques.
Yeah. And I could
You can
still
see
remember
the difference. You can see the difference. The जिसमें mascara लगाया है and
oh my God.
so,
Wow.
so this is how different it looks. Close.
It feels different also, like you know, जैसे एक external feature add हुआ है body में. It is so amazing. Like makeup can really change your whole perception of yourself.
So now you have your lipstick. You've already done your lipstick. Do you want to refresh the lipstick?
I don't know. One more thing which was very important for me is red. You know, red. मैं काफी हद तक डरी हुई थी with the red lipstick.
Yeah, but now
and I'm
you are
amazed.
not. And yeah, you want. I remember that when I did your makeup, you like we can put red lipstick. I was like okay.
And we were just like.
So you know, specifically इसके लिए I bought this shade.
Okay.
Because I knew that you would go with red. And अगर तुम देखोगे ना, यहाँ मैंने कोई और
कुछ
lipstick
और
नहीं रखा है.
Yeah.
जो आपने किया है उसी को थोड़ा रिफ्रेश कर रही हूँ मैं. open करना.
So for lipstick also, since you had shown me, so I had applied a lipstick like lip primer. Or you can also apply a lip balm.
Yes, so lip should always be hydrated before applying a lipstick. So that's the
Okay.
whole point. Lip primer will give you hydration, and जो primer face का काम करता है वही lip primer lip का काम करेगा.
Okay.
So जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा fine lines है,
हाँ,
बहुत ज़्यादा
हाँ.
dryness है, it will help in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I had the primer, then I applied my lip liner,
Yes.
and I applied it overall
Yes.
as you've
So yes. So
shown it.
one of the tip here is if you want your lipstick to wait for a longer time, to stay for a longer time, right? So you do your lip line, you fill in your entire lip with the same color of the lip liner. We tend to eat away our lipstick.
Yeah.
In that case, your lip liner is your savior.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is one of the tip for having lipstick for a longer time.
Yeah.
Also, there is one tip where this is a very common one where you do your lipstick, you put a tissue and you dab little powder. So basically, you're mattifying your lipstick.
Okay.
Matte will always stay more than gloss.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're
Okay.
basically mattifying your lipstick.
Okay.
So this
And then
is
this is the-
the last step where we are fixing the makeup. So I'm using this Pixie ka makeup fixing mist. So it will fix your makeup and it will give you hydration and that glowy and dewy effect also. So you keep it little away from your face, 3 to 4 pumps on your entire face, and just let it dry on its own.
Okay.
So your skin is going to absorb that mist and it is going to seal your
So I
makeup
am-
then.
I
So
am
let's open up
ready,
your hair
yes,
now.
guys. I am really ready, but I just feel I have done nothing to my hair today because I was having the makeup thing done, and I'll just keep my hair. That's it.
Yeah, keep your. But then again, also having said that, when we talk about makeup, we need to understand that hair is equally important. You know,
right.
so makeup and hair goes hand in hand.
So,
So
are
to-
we seeing the difference?
I'm sure we are seeing the difference.
Because I am feeling so cool and pretty now.
Amazing.
Beautiful from inside. Thank you so much. I
You're
really appreciate
welcome,
it. Thank
you're
you so
welcome.
very much. So I just feel like I can just slip into it. Just keep my hair like this.
Yeah, you can
Have
do anything you
2-3
want.
good pictures click.
Absolutely.
So, but since I have curly hair, can you just give me a little tip of what I can do with my hair, or how important is makeup with compared to my hair?
So again, when we talk about hair, see, everything in makeup and hair comes about your personal preferences, how comfortable you are. If you are comfortable with the curls of your hair, which is natural and which is very beautiful, people die to have curls like this.
Well,
The only
thank you.
thing that you need to do is, you need to understand how to maintain it.
Maintain,
Now,
right.
abhi example, if you use a good, nice shampoo, आपने किया है, conditioner किया है, so my suggestion, if you want these curls, right, you take a nice leave-in conditioner.
Okay.
ठीक है, आपके बाल लो.
Huh. So, do we have something right now with us? Do we have something?
So बाल लो आपके, आपने लिव-इन कंडीशनर लिया,
Okay.
लिव-इन कंडीशनर आप लगा दो, इस तरह से उसको स्क्रंच अप कर लो.
Okay.
या और एल्स लिव-इन कंडीशनर लगा के स्क्रंच करके ये थोड़ा सा बांध के टॉवल रैप करके 5-10 मिनट रख दो.
Okay.
See the difference with your curls.
Okay. So there's going to be natural curls for me.
Yes.
Okay. This is very beautiful.
Yeah, so why not? Why always? See, it is not that you always want to blow dry your hair
Huh.
or always want to set your hair. Sometimes we can even play with our natural hair, and that is very beautiful.
But sometimes it really gets the necessity because we don't have that much time.
Yes, yes,
I'm sure
absolutely.
this took time because you were explaining and
Correct.
doing it at the same
Correct.
time. But then, how much time basically?
So ये
this is
जो
just
हमने
the common
yeah,
thing.
ये
just
जो
not
हमने
natural.
किया है, if you are, अगर आपका हाथ अच्छी तरह से सेट है, आपको पता है आपको क्या प्रोडक्ट यूज करना है, क्या आई शैडो यूज करना है, क्या लिपस्टिक, I don't think it should take more than 20 minutes.
Okay, wow, that's nothing.
Yeah, because
like,
see, you are doing it for yourself. You know what you want to do.
हाँ.
So I don't think it should take more than 20
एंड क्या हम मेकअप के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन करके रख सकते हैं, लाइक व्हाट कलर और व्हाट
yes.
मैचिंग कैन बी
Yes,
डन सो दैट आवर टाइम इज लिमिटेड
Limited, yes.
एंड देन वी कैन
Yes.
go about it. Wow, that's really nice. I'll just prep myself. So friends, आपने देखा अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो गई हूँ with the makeup and everything on, and I'm really grateful to you, thankful to you. And जैसे हमारा एक system है, so as a token for you accepting our invite, coming here, really taking this effort of doing all this for us. This is from Life Talks by Ruxana.
Wow, thank
To
you
the
so
awesome
much.
woman who made it happen.
I need
Yeah. Who made this happen? Who made this happen?
Thank you so much.
Thank
This is
you
the
so
best part.
और निकल जाएगा आप. और क्या?
It is so relaxing. इतना कुछ सिखा दिया मैंने तुमको.
नहीं, I'm not doing multitask.